So guys, this is a very exciting video, something that you've never seen before. Welcome to what is going to be my new home office. Check this space out. So this is sort of the third floor of the new house, which is awesome. We've got a house tour to come. However, I have been this morning dismantling my old setup. As you can see, a couple of monitors here on the floor. All my peripherals are in here, headphones, mouse, keyboard, live wood edge table, my favorite thing from the last setup. And then the only new addition is gonna be this brand new Flexi Spot sort of extended leg system. Or what's it called? Height adjustable standing desk.
Standing desk.
It's a standing desk.
Electronic standing desk.
An electronic standing desk. Bit of crop there. It's got 125 kilograms loading capacity, which basically my old wooden worktop thing, it's like a wooden live edge thing, that is about 40 kilograms in itself. So we need some powerful motors. Speaking of motors, each one of the legs has its separate motor in it, whereas their previous ones were just single motor design. And also, if you take a look at the control pod, if you like, this is where you move the height. It goes down from 60 centimeters up to what, Jed?
120, I think.
120, which is pretty much plenty for anybody. As well as that, USB charging built into the side, which is really nifty to have on the side of the desk. You've got the power cord here, you've got the legs there, and then all of this has cable management stuff built into it as well. Now, I've recently done some stuff at the Beta House, building Nico's office, and I've been talking and thinking a lot about cable management, but with this, because it's kind of all built into this Flexi Spot desk, shouldn't have to think about it all that much, but we'll see. Wow. Okay, so moment of truth. Let's click the up button and my live edge desk is motorized. That is cool, isn't it? It's quick. It's quick and high. I mean, it's literally as tall as me. Mate, see you later. So, monitor arms are going on. You're probably thinking, Alex, why are they so far to this side of the desk and not in the middle? And this is because this is the first setup where I'm not getting techie with the placement of the computer. So the monitors, the dual monitor setup, which I've got at the moment, is going to be over this side of the desk, and then the computer is going to sit this side of the desk. And I'm kind of happy about it because, let me get it, the inside of this lights up crazy, and it's all been custom designed with my logos on it. So I will actually be able to see it and appreciate it in all of its glory. So the basics are pretty much already all done. Let's get the rest of this thing built. Coming up the tiniest stairs in the world. Oh, we're here. I thought I was coming up more stairs. Okay, so let me know what your guys' thoughts are in the comment section down below. Really interested to see what you guys have got to say about this. But 4 hours later, we have managed to put myself together a setup in the new place. Hey, and it's starting to feel like home. This was the first thing it needed. So one thing that is completely different about this setup compared to setups that I've put together before is that, and I've been looking forward to having a setup like this, is that you can actually get to the back of the desk. You can see it. All the setups I've made before, the back of the screen and the monitors has been against some sort of wall, which is great for cable management. It just means with a desk like this, you have to be really meticulous with it. So what you can see we've done here is all the cables for the monitors. We've used this braided sheathing. I'll put links to all this in the description. You can get it in every single color under the sun. Basically, it just makes the cables not look like cables. I mean, this is quite nice to look at, I think, in my opinion. Maybe your opinion differs. But obviously, if I go around here and lift the desk up via the old flexi spot, you can see that even when we reach level 100, which we're at now, you still can't really see any cables under the desk. And then if you go under here, you can see that it is actually a mental hive of cables. We've used industrial Velcro for the power supplies for the monitors. That is probably the weakest point because I'm not a fan of sticking things under desks, but this industrial Velcro seems to do the job. So we'll just see over time how this works. But yeah, massive shout out to FlexiSpot for sending me these motorized desks for my first new build in the new house. This is awesome. You have to let me know what you think in the comments down below. Looking forward to hearing all your guys' thoughts. Now, I've had standing desks in my office for the longest time. However, it's not something that I've ever had in my home environment. This isn't meant to be my work setup as such. This is more for me coming and playing games with friends and doing online stuff and chilling out and relaxing. And as you guys will see over the next few months, we have a studio in this house which we're going to be moving into, and that is going to be our designated workspace. This is for me in the evenings when I've got Domino's here, and I don't know, maybe I'll jump on Twitch with Nico. I'm not sure yet. So the following day has rolled around. I spent last night in here playing a few games of League of Legends with Toby. Really enjoyed it. The space isn't quite feeling like home yet. We still have a few bits to do, but take a look at the setup. What are you thinking? It's pretty much all stripped back to basics. I've got no speakers on the desk or anything, so this is basically me asking you guys for your thoughts down there in the comment section below. What do you think we could do to add this, maybe spice it up? I've stuck Philips Hue lights around the entire place and that are controlled with this button. So they all turn off like that, and then if you give them a double press, they go all funky colors. So I managed to add the PS5 as well because I managed to get a beta code for the new Call of Duty, so I'm going to be smashing that out. One thing I've really enjoyed is having the sockets under the desk. It's super simple to just be able to plug things in. The one problem with it all though is I have this big long cable. Obviously it's only one cable that goes off to the socket over there. Not really sure what to do with this because I know that my robotic hoovers are going to get stuck on this cable, so I'm a bit stuck with it. And obviously it's black on the white carpet. It's the only bit of an eyesore that we've got, but the whole desk is a standing desk, which is absolutely ace. There's no cables underneath it. And obviously I've got my old stuff. I've got my 915, Logitech G915 TKL with the Lightspeed mouse. This is my favorite mouse and keyboard combination, which I haven't been able to replace. I also put the loop deck in as well, and all of the cables go underneath the computer. So there is basically no cables other than this one that goes to the Lightspeed mouse mat. But yeah, let us know what you think. We've got episode 2 coming up, this being my home office, and episode 2 being the actual work office where Jed and I are going to be able to make all of these TechFlow videos. But this has been ace. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments. My name's been Alex. This has, of course, been TechFlow, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.